Hello viewers, good morning to you all. Again, I'm here to teach you how best we can change the background using Photoshop Cc. Yeah, first of all, we have our image here in Photoshop. So we wanted to change this background, maybe we fix it somewhere else. So what we're going to do, we're gonna use our quick selection tool, and then let's try to zoom it up. And then we first select the image we want maybe to take. Yes, okay. You have to make sure that when you're selecting this image, you don't leave anything behind. So after that, we come down and cross-check with the downer part how best it is. And so make sure that we highlight whatever thing we may use. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we want to change. So after doing that like that, we come to our background. I wanted to bring up the other photo and I put it in front of this one. So after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just come to my photo, use my moving tool, and then I'll just bring this photo to this part here. So the easiest way to do that, okay, then so you're seeing my photo is already here. So what we're going to do, you can reduce on the size of the photo. Maybe you can even bring it here in the sound. So I think now you can see we've changed the background of my photo just in a few seconds. So if you want, you can leave it like that, but if you want, you can still add in some more edits and then you see how best it could be. So me, basically, I'm just going to stop it from here, but as a person, you also need to, to check up and see how best you can add more source in your image. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and that is it for now. That is it for now, and I'm so happy